Welcome back, YouTube, for another market analysis for the London session and potentially into the US session. Today we'll be going over S&P 500 and also gold. So let's go ahead and hop into it. Today we'll be looking at S&P 500. We'll start with this 10 tick here. We're going to see what the market may actually do tonight. We did have a nice downward movement for the US session. We did travel all the way down. We were up somewhere right around these 36.95s, as we could see, kind of right over here. Well, 92 actually, kind of right over here, 91, 92 as resistance. And then in the morning, we started to come under some significant levels of support and then break down below that. So we do have some levels of resistance. We are still in a nice downtrend, but we are coming into a decent area of support as well. So what do we want to look out for? Well, right between these levels of 38 to 40 is our first area of some support. Underneath that, you might see a minor level coming right into this area here, right around these 34, 35s, and then below that you're going to see some other levels, maybe right around these 25s. There might be even closer ones somewhere around these 30s, but we'll just leave that off for now. But looking a little bit closer, if you want to trade with the trend, you're going to have to allow the price to pull back somewhere around these 47 to 49. See if you can continue to get that resistance right up at the prior level of support as resistance. Maybe get a nice double top and then try to pull it back down from there to continue that trend down. Now, if you wanted to try the opposite way of fading the market back up, right here in the supports of 38 to 40 would be your opportunity to try to do so. We have one push up and a nice bounce coming in. So we are wanting to see this thing hold the support and continue back into the levels of resistance, 47 to about 49. If we can get through that level, our next target is going to be somewhere up at these 57s, and then above that into the probably the 60 to 64 area is where we'll try to get the market to try to get through right through these levels. But that is going to be what we're looking at and how we're going to try to play it right now. First, we're looking for this area to be the supporting idea to try to fade that back up into resistance. If we do get back into this area for a continuational short and downtrend movement, we want to see this price hold this level here, maybe get a nice double top and continue the market back down from there. Let's take a look at a 5 tick, get a closer view of this as well, see what we got there. So let's kind of zoom in here on this 5 tick here. Also, I switched over. I am on the March contract. If any of you are wondering if it looks different, I'm on the March contract already, not on the December one. But again, 38 to 40 is the area of support. You can see these bounces, 1, 2. We may have a nice pull to the upside from here. If not, we will continue down into our 34s and then try to get through that level and get those 25.50s. But for now, looking for these bounces to get this opportunity back to the upside into levels of resistance, 47 to 49. The trend is down, so always keep that in mind, but you want to see this gradually try to pull here, and then if we can get that double top, 2-drive failure, get that market to come right back down. If not, you can also look for an opportunity to get back above this level, hold this level as support, and then try to push into your next level of resistance at about 56, right around here, 54 to 56. That would be our next area of resistance there. Let's take a look at gold here real quickly as well. Excuse me. We are moving up on gold. We do have a level of resistance we're coming into right now, 39.6, and right after that it's about 41.9. So we may see the market stall around this area. If you're not long yet, the best opportunity to try to get long would be to allow the market to pull back into support. Got somewhere between 33 to 35 is my levels of support there for a continuation, or maybe a double bottom move to continue the market up from there. Now, if you want to try to fade this market, you're going to look for this market to hold that level of resistance, maybe these 39s, maybe these 41s. Hold this area of resistance and try to pull it right back into the support. That's the idea of what we're going to be looking for as far as trading this gold market. Let's take a look at a 5 tick here real quickly on gold as well. You can see on this smaller tick chart here, we are moving gradually to the upside, but are hitting some levels of resistance. We're close to it, at least. So again, it's probably going to move right into these 39 to 40s. We already touched it once. You could see if I highlight it, we came as high as about 39.1. So we are looking for it to probably retest that area. If we fail either 39 or 41, then again, look for that downside move to come back. If the market comes back earlier, look for this area to be the supporting area for continuation. Now you get underneath this level of 33, then you can look for the market to try to collapse even further down. You look for it to react off the support as resistance and then come back down into this area. Somewhere around these 28 to 30s is my next level of support. You can have this minor level right here at 30. So you want to try to see if the market acts as resistance off that support, then look for the downside move to continue into that area. But that is it for S&P 500 and also gold. Again, if you guys do like these videos, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you guys have any questions, feel free to pop them in to the YouTube channel here. If you guys are not subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe. If you guys are, I appreciate you guys. Again, we are launching Pure Structured Trading pretty soon, coming sometime in January. So do look out for that. If you guys have any questions or are interested, go ahead and pop in. The link will be popped up here and you will see the picture of Pure Structured Trading. Go ahead and pop in your email and you will get some email notifications when we do launch the website. You guys have a great night. Take care.